What's up, everybody? Welcome back. E46. Today we're going to be removing the DME and shipping it off to these guys because all roads lead to the DME. I think something fried in the DME when all the water got in the back. So we're going to be removing the DME and sending it over to, I think, what is it, ECU Pro or something like that. Send it off to them, and if any of you guys are having a problem, this is the part number that keeps giving me all the issues. Let's get to work. All right, guys, so I'm gonna disconnect the battery first, and then it's nice and dry back here. Nice and dry. So, I like it just like that. Wet, it's nice and dry. Okay, so before we pack the DME, I'm going to disconnect the battery. Alright, so the DME box is located, DME ECU is located on the right driver's side of this car. It's usually like on my other cars on the left, but what do we need here? Torx. Let me get a Torx and I'll be right back. Alright, this is a T25 to remove. Make sure I don't drop it. You're good. Roll. All right. She is just gonna plug these right here and pull it out, and we just have to send it off with the key and wait for them to return it. All right. Back. Let me see if I can figure out how to disconnect these, and I'll be back. All right, so with these, you press in this little tab and slide this forward, and this just pops out. This little tab, slide it forward, pops out. Tab, forward. There you have it. And that is the part number that keeps showing up. That is the part number right there. All right, so that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. When this returns, we're gonna have some fun. All right.